So this thing is leaking right here. This cylinder. It's just dripping all out of there down on the bucket. So I guess I gotta get a seal kit for this thing and redo it. All right, I got it up in the shop here. Look how bad that's leaking. It's just dripping. Okay. All right, so what I think I'm gonna do now, before I take it out on the other side, I think I'm gonna try to get this, what do they call it? It's a gland nut or something? Whatever this nut is on the end of here. Probably gonna be super hard to get off of there. So I'm gonna leave it in because that way, you know, it'll hold itself. I don't have to worry about it rolling and spinning. All right, I'm assuming this is a lefty-loosey situation. Bending the pipe. All right, this pipe's not strong enough. It's just bending it. All right, let's give it a whirl here. Broke the wrench. All right, I couldn't find a bolt or anything, but I just stuck a Allen wrench through there just to hold it together. So let's try it again. All right, let's see what will happen this time. What was that? As I was in between here somewhere. All right, I'll throw that over there. Is it moving? I think it is. Look at that. Nice. Oh yeah, she's going now. I guess I could have tapped it a little easier. How heavy is this thing? Oh, it's not that heavy. Okay. These are like shims that were in between where the cylinder mounted. All right. All right, well, there's that. Hot touch because I heated it. It's dumping fluid like crazy. All right. Down there. All right, this is about as far as I knew how to get, so the rest of it's going to be a learning process here. Ugh. Oh, it's just dumping the fluid. Ugh. All right, let me, where am I going to put this thing? Come on, there we go. All right. Put that over here. Whew. Okay. It doesn't look like there's anything else in there. All right, we got to get this nut off of this other side. So I'm gonna put some cardboard up here. I'm gonna stick it back, the pin back through it, and stick it back through, you know, just so it doesn't spin. Lay it on this cardboard, and we'll see if we can get that nut off. screw right here. The other nut, the one we took off first, that one was way easier. I guess this is the one I should have been worried about. All right, I was just looking in the service manual. The torque for the, okay, so the head, the thing that we already took off, 224 pound-feet, plus or minus 30 pounds. So 224 was the one we got. The one we're trying to get now, that other nut, 600 pound-feet, plus or minus 44. So yeah, there's no wonder I couldn't get it off there. I don't think I had a chance getting it off with that. And my pipe, the only pipe I have is super flimsy. I was using that square tubing there, but the handle on this one's too big to fit inside of it. So, all right, I got a 40-inch breaker bar and a 50 millimeter socket with a 3/4 inch fitting on it. So I'm gonna see if I can get this thing off here real quick. Oh, did I get it? Yes! Ha ha! It worked. Ah, it's turning. Whoo! I wasn't sure if I was gonna get that thing, man. Oh. There it is. Nice. All right, it's hot now. I gotta wait for it to cool down. But it's coming off. I don't know how I'm gonna torque it back up that tight, but yeah, man, with enough leverage, you can pretty much do anything, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for that to cool, and then I'll probably wait till tomorrow. I got somewhere to be, but I just got that thing and I wanted to make sure I could take it off. All right, there's that. That's got seals on it, and then we got seals in this thing here. Guess I'll just leave that there for now. All right, here's the two pieces. Got the seal kit here. This is like a aftermarket seal kit. Or maybe it's what the dealer would have given me, but basically the dealer wanted $300 for this, and I got this for $70 off of eBay. So hopefully it works. For everything we take off, one of these should go back. So there's that. Which I think those are the same. This here. Yeah, these are pretty sure they're identical. I guess destroying it's one way to do it. There we go. Oh look, there's a O-ring underneath. Alright, there's that. Alright, so that's probably it on that thing. So on this one we got some stuff on the outside, and then there's some stuff on the inside we've got to get out. That is what, this one? Yeah. That one right there. Oh, there's one right here. This one's so dirty I didn't see it. Right. There's another one. So I must be looking at that one and that one. There it is. This O-ring goes in that deep hole there. Got a little oil here that I can lubricate it with. Alright, one more. Okay, there's that one. This might be hard to do. Oh, there we go. Just need to sit in there straight now. Alright, and then these just go out here. They've got a split in them, so that makes that a little easier. Alright, I think that one's piece is ready to go. I guess you'd call it the nut. There we go. Alright. That was here. And then the O-ring I think went right behind it. Alright, that's the outside. Now we just gotta put these three pieces on the inside. These are gonna go in this order, so it'll be like this, that, and then that. Go. There it is. Alright, that's in there. Stuff just feels like it's gonna break when you do this. There it is. That's the trick right there. So I guess this one I probably need to find a socket or something to tap it in with. Now we gotta tighten that thing up. 600 foot-pounds. We gotta put on that. I don't think it's gonna get any tighter than that. Not like this anyways. Oh, I moved a little bit. Oh, I'm just going as tight as I can get it with this. All right, I think that's gonna be it right there. I don't want to forget the little set screw here. There it is. There we go. What I should have done is put a mark on there, and then I would have known when it was right back where it was. But it's too late for that now. That's not getting any tighter, it's just deforming the metal. So, all right, I think that's gonna be good. All right, well that seems to be fixed. Not leaking anymore, so we're gonna call that good to go. Right, Gino? What do you think, buddy? Yeah. Yeah, it's fixed. It's not leaking no more. All right, cool. That's the first time I ever did one of them, so on to the next thing. Oh, look, your ship. do you think, Shep? Yep. Don't really care, do you?